Welcome to TBK Career Point. For placement point of view, I'll discuss some technical questions on Java language. So what is Java? Java is a programming language. It is a popular programming language. Actually, it is used for various applications like gaming applications, web applications, and for mobile applications and desktop applications and like that various applications the Java programming language is used. And basically it is a object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language ante, so the Java programming, it contains class, object, and polymorphism and inheritance concepts and etc will be there on the concept. Anyhow, we'll discuss more on it in the future videos. And it is a simple, secure, and robust language. Java is a platform independent language. It means the same code can run on different machines. Thank you all.